Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. I thank you so much for joining me today. For today's episode, I want to make an Easter-inspired centerpiece. Before we go any further, I want to invite you to subscribe to my channel for a variety of DIY projects. Let me start off by letting you know the things that you're going to need. You're going to need flowers for this centerpiece. I have yellow and off-white. Those flowers come from Dollar Tree. You're going to need a pillar candle from Walmart, a vase like this from Walmart, these egg picks. These come from Dollar Tree. Easter grass from Dollar Tree. And this piece of floral foam from Walmart. Well, let me not forget, also you're gonna need a wire cutter for the flowers. So these are the things that you're gonna need, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. I like the way this centerpiece turned out. What I like most about it is the candle holder with the pillar candle in there, and then with the grass, the Easter grass in the vase. The only thing I would say is I wish that I probably would have used more than just the yellow color in the flowers. Maybe I could have used some purple, light purple flowers. Maybe I could have used some light blue flowers and just brought more of the pastel colors into the arrangement. Please comment below and let me know what you think of this centerpiece. Also, feel free to share my video. Please share my video. And again, if you have not had the chance to subscribe to my channel, go ahead and do so now. I thank you so much for joining me. Until I see you next time. Bye.